Hey guys, so for today's video, I wanted to do kind of an unboxing video. I see videos like this all the time and I don't know, I think they're so much fun to see what type of makeup everyone purchases. I really like watching videos like that, so I decided to kind of just go ahead and make one myself. Anyway, I recently went ahead and purchased a few things at Sephora that I really wanted to share with you guys. Because I'm super excited about all of this stuff. A lot of it is like mini stuff because it was a little bit cheaper and more came in like the packages that way. I only had a few gift cards for Sephora. I was very excited about all these products and the sales that were going on and I just could not help myself. I also have a few purchases that I recently got from Ulta and then some stuff that I actually want to give a shout out to later in the video because it was really nice. Some people decided to go ahead and give me some of this stuff to try out that I was very excited about, so I'm going to be talking about that also. So yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and see this unboxing video, then just keep on watching. All right. So I have opened the box just a little bit because I couldn't help myself and I kind of wanted to see some of the stuff. I haven't swatched the stuff yet, so that'll be new on here. This is my Sephora box right here. I was so excited when it came in the mail. The first thing in the box is this Violet Voss palette that I was so excited by. It's with her Pro eyeshadows. It is the My Holy Grail. Hashtag My Holy Grail. I'm not sure what this palette is called, honestly. And it's infused with jojoba oil, which I didn't actually see that before. Some benefits to this. Open that up. Just go ahead and break the box a little bit. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Look how holographic it is, you guys. I love the way this looks. I die for these colors, you guys. I swear to God. This is... I can't even, you guys. I can't. Look, it even comes with a mirror. Sorry, I'm like reflected into there. Didn't mean to blind you with this. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just swatch a few of them because I'm very curious. I'm gonna swatch this one and how you doing. Ooh, that looks promising. Yes. All right, I'm gonna try one of these matte shades. Ooh, I'm gonna try this like cranberry shade. It's called Wine and Dine. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. I want to do one more shimmer shade because this one's kind of calling my name right here. This Ploof one. Ooh, this all over the lid. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so pretty. I don't know what the name of this palette is. It doesn't say it on the box or anything, does it? It just says Violet Voss Pro eyeshadows. I mean, it's the one with all the cranberry shades in it. So if you guys want to go ahead and look for it, I mean, it's just the ones on the site that has all the cranberry shades. And it looks like these. All right, the next thing in the box is this Bite Beauty lip pencil. High pigment lip pencil with Resveratrol? I don't know what that is. Hopefully it's good. Apparently these are supposed to be amazing and their lipsticks are supposed to be fantastic. And apparently the ingredients are made like super organic to the point where you can actually eat them. I don't think they'll taste good, but they're safe to eat. So I guess that's kind of the whole thing with this brand. Oh my God, I hear so many good things about these pencils, you guys. This color was just speaking my name. What is the name of this color? Rhubarb? Yeah, rhubarb. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna wear the crap out of this color. And this honestly just slid on like butter. I feel like this is gonna be super comfortable to wear. I've honestly always wanted something from Bite Beauty. They're just a little bit expensive, but this was on sale, so I went for it like the cheap bee I am. All right, the next thing in the box that I got is the Stila Glitter On The Go Liquid Eyeshadow Set. Yeah, liquid eyeshadow set. Everyone and their mother has been raving about these. I am so excited to try these out. You guys have no idea. This is honestly the thing in the box that I was the most excited about. As some of you guys know, those of you that are new to my channel, this is new information for you. I like to buy the minis of stuff before I go and buy the bigger ones, just so I know that I actually like them and I didn't just go and waste my money. Personally, that's just something I like to do. And I did that with the Stila ones. These are minis, but I feel like you get a pretty good amount of product in here. Not gonna lie, these aren't too small compared to the normal sized ones. In this set, it came with Rose Gold Retro. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Ooh, I can already tell this one's gonna be my favorite. I'm obsessed with Rose Gold. I already know, you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to put this all over my lid. The next one is in the shade Kitten Karma. I know a lot of people talk about this shade too though, so let's see how I like this one. Oh, I'm already in love. Oh my gosh. That's the one next to it. I feel like you can't tell these swatches. I feel like you can't see them, but you guys, these colors, oh my God. And then the next one is in this shade Smoldering Satin, which I feel like I'm really gonna like this one for a lot of my cool tone looks that I do. Oh my god, these are beautiful. I'm so excited right now, you guys. You have no idea. They look super promising. Everyone talks about these, so I hope they live up to my expectations. I'm planning on doing a first impressions video soon using a lot of these products, so you guys will see on camera soon how I feel about them. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to film that video so I can try them out. And then here are a few little extras that were in the box that I got. So I had some beauty insider points because I like to save my points, and it was well worth it because I got this. It is the Josie Maran Juicy Glowing Argan Treats. It comes with her argan oil, her whipped argan oil face butter, whipped mud mask, and then a lipstick. I'm so excited. I'm gonna open this up. I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. Wow, it comes with like little confetti. It's all fancy and bougie and whatnot. They're all little minis, obviously. They're not gonna be the big products. Let's see. Here is the whipped argan oil face butter. I think this is a moisturizer. Please day and night after cleansing. Yeah, it's a moisturizer. Super excited to try this out. Hope it doesn't break me out. The whipped mud mask. Ooh, I know I'm gonna like this. I've really been needing a hydrating mask because my skin has been crazy dry with all the insane weather we've been having in Chicago lately. Those of you that are from Chicago, you know what I'm talking about. I swear to God, me and my friend were saying the other day about the weather, sorry, getting off topic. He just got back from California. First day he's home. It rains, it snows, it gets sunny, and it gets freezing cold. It was nuts. I don't understand the weather we have in Chicago, but we gotta deal with it. That's Chicago weather for you. It doesn't know what it wants. It doesn't know what mood it's in. But yeah, little side story there. Anyway, that is why my skin is dry. But anyway, I'm super excited to try this. It is the whipped mud mask. It has sweet citrus in it. It's hydrating and detoxifying. The next thing is their argan oil. I've used their argan oil before and I honestly love it. I am a huge fan of argan oil in your hair, on your skin. I feel like it works for so many different things. I'm a huge fan of oils, so I cannot wait to use this again. And then the last thing that was in that box, is the Josie Maran lipstick. It is in the shade Embrace It, Honey. I love the name. It's so cute. This is what it looks like. It's just a really pretty pinky nude color. Not very pigmented though. I don't know if it's just meant to be like a lip topper. Is it a lipstick? Oh, Argan Lip Sting Plumping Butter. Oh, ooh, I'm excited to try that. Again, constant dryness with this weather. Dry lips, dry skin, dry everything. It's not good. It's not pretty. That didn't sound right, did it? Anyway, next thing in the box. So my birthday was in February, and the next thing in the box is the Sephora Beauty Insider birthday gift. And again, it is Bite Cosmetics stuff. I'm so excited because again, I've been wanting to try Bite stuff for such a long time. The first, it is a little lip pencil, and then it's also a lipstick. And then they also give you little samples of the agave lip balm and then the sugar lip scrub. Ooh, it looks like little pills they give you. The lipstick is in the shade Chai. Ooh, I'm gonna like this color. It feels so moisturizing. I cannot wait to put this on my lips. And then the lip pencil is in the shade Glace, which just looks like a regular pinky nude color. The smaller one next to the other one. As soon as I saw that this was the birthday gift, I hopped on that as soon as I possibly could. All right, now it's just a bunch of little samples that they decided to give me in the box. One thing that I love about ordering from Sephora online, they give you so many samples. So you can try out stuff for yourself, which is awesome. And they gave me a ton of stuff to try out. So one is the Alginist Genius Liquid Collagen. Oh, it's a serum. Ooh, I actually really like this brand, so I'm gonna try this out soon. The next one is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. This actually looks super cute and promising. I really hope this one doesn't burn the hell out of my lips. Just so many of them do that and it's frustrating. The next sample they gave me was the Fresh Black Tea Instant Perfecting Mask. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse, use to, I don't know how I'm gonna use this 2 to 3 times per week because they just gave me this little packet. And then the last thing I have in the box for you guys is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. They gave me a little sample for free to try out. It's in the bottle. Look how cool that looks. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm excited to use it. Ooh, I'm just gonna put that on somewhere that doesn't have any lipstick. I mean, it's literally just glitter in a bottle. It just makes you all glittery. I wonder what I'm gonna use this for, honestly. Ooh, maybe on the body. Like maybe I'll put it on my shoulders and my collarbones because I like to look nice and shiny there. I remember that in my first impressions video when I do it. I gotta wear a top that shows off the shoulders. And that is everything in the box for everything from Sephora. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just a few things that I got from Ulta. I didn't get a lot of stuff from Ulta. I just got a few things that were calling my name. One of them I actually did try out, and it is the lip color I am wearing today. It is the Catherine Liquid Lipstick. lipstick from Anastasia. Normally I really don't wear colors like this, but I don't know what it was. Something, it was calling to me, like I felt like I was gonna like it. I swatched it on my hand and I really liked it. And normally, honestly, this is a color that I wouldn't wear, but I don't know what it is. I actually really like this color a lot. In the summer, I feel like this lip is gonna be perfect. This is already honestly a really good spring lip. Pretty fitting because we're in spring, even though it doesn't feel like spring. But yeah, really like this so far. I like going outside my comfort zone and just trying out new things. And I highly encourage any of you guys, if there's like a lip color out there where you're like, there is no way I could never pull that off, you can. Try it. Next thing I got is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Contour. I have heard fantastic things about this. Kathleen Lights always raves about this. This is what it looks like. It looks super promising. It feels really nice. Actually, I did go ahead and swatch it on my hand just a little bit, and it does feel really nice. I think I'm also going to try this one out in my first impressions video. I am not used to using liquid bronzers at all, so I'm a little nervous to try it, but a little excited also. And then the last thing that I picked up from Ulta is the Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs and Rose Water. I used to be obsessed with this product. I bought the big one. The big one is only like 12 bucks, you guys, which really isn't that bad considering how much product you get in this. It's kind of nuts. I use it every single day, so I definitely needed the bigger one. All right, so the next few products that I want to show you guys, these are all from Target. One of Jake's coworkers really wanted me to try these out, and that was honestly so sweet of her. I can't wait to try these. She wanted me to try the Early Defense Glow Activating No. 7 Serum, and I love No. 7 products, so I can't wait to try this out. She also gave me the Olay Regenerist Whip Light as Air Finishing. I think it's a moisturizer. Can't wait to try this too. It looks awesome. I don't know how she knew I love this brand. She gave me the Pixie Endless Brow Gel Pen. I've been looking for a good drugstore brow pencil, so I honestly cannot wait to try this out. And then the next thing she gave me was the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pencil. I actually went ahead and swatched this a little bit already. It feels so creamy, so nice. The glides on like butter. Super excited to try this out. I forget if I didn't mention her name before, but yeah, that was something that Jake's coworker Valerie really wanted me to try, and that was so sweet of her. Valerie, if you're watching, thank you so much. I really appreciated it. And yeah, you guys, that was my unboxing video. I really like doing videos like this. Cannot wait to try these products out in a first impressions video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys. I don't know. I really like watching videos. I don't know. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I am so excited. How do they say it? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Go eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. Is the Stila Glitter on the go. This was honestly in the box that this is honestly, I don't know what my hair is doing. I'm sorry. Kind of just going off and doing its own thing like it always does. Hold on, my neighbor's watching me. I want to wait till they go away. Why won't they go away? I don't know. No.